gonna do a video on applying a tip to the hand trainer. Yeah. Then shape said tip. Then put gel on the tip. It's a beautiful snowy day in Fredericton, New Brunswick. Getting to the middle of March. Not quite. People are getting frustrated. I don't believe it's going to stop snowing. It will. This is what I like to use. Resin. Star nail resin. Pardon me. People like to use different glues, different setting stuff for tips. I've been using that for years. I like it. It's quick. On a natural nail, it is fast. On Hazel, it's a pain in the ass. You've got to file these down much more than you would a natural nail. Natural nail, quick buff with a nice soft block, just enough to take shine off. Boom, stick on. By the time you've done your 10, they're ready to clip. So let's do a nice length on our girl. Another thing I like for blending down the tip, again, Star Nail Brush Saver. This is great. Put it on where this is attached to the natural nail. Do your sidewalls. Get that done. Get those shaped up the way you like. Flip Miss Hazel around, have a look at the finger from this angle. I think you can tell, nice and even. I like the C&D Velocity tips, really like them. Not much of a well on them. I do occasionally sculpt out. I find it's not that it's challenging with gel. You can do it with, I actually end up sculpting a lot when my clients come in with like a corner missing, or if it's one nail, I do it. It's just that it's such a product that slides off so easy. So a lot of the time I just find it just as easy. Put a tip on, get the shape I want, get started, back out again. Now,